What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to a more than hype unboxing and review. And today, we're going to be taking a look at a pair of Yeezy Slides. Now, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, and since my last upload, I have sort of piled up a backlog of reviews that I want to upload, like some dunks, a couple 550s, as well as a special pair of shoes I'll only mention that I'm really excited to share with you all. So if you don't want to miss any of that, subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot by clicking our logo in the bottom right corner of the video. Now, with all that out of the way, let's take a look at these slides, starting with the packaging. And we get some familiar packaging with these. The Yeezy brown box, slide written up top in the Yeezy font, and nothing much else on the box here. On this end, it says Yeezy Slide and made by Adidas. Let's take a look at the size tag. Official name of these is just Yeezy Slide, style code GZ5554. This is the pure colorway. Official colors are pure, pure, and pure. Far as sizing goes, I got a size 8 here because that's what I wear in other Adidas slides. However, I found I probably should have sized up. They do fit pretty tight. I would have been much better with a size 9 here. Far as women's sizing goes, this US 8 is a US 9, so one full size up is the size conversion for women's. I got my pair off of the Adidas Confirmed app. It was released through a draw, and this colorway released alongside two other colorways. So this pure colorway, there was a core, and then a resin colorway. Retail price for these was $60, which pretty much falls in line with other premium slides that Adidas sells. So boost slides, and then they have some like special graphic slides. They're all around $60, and Adidas could have easily tagged on a $20-$30 premium for the Yeezy name on these slides. I'm glad they didn't. So if you're able to cop for retail, I'd say these are actually pretty fairly priced. Alright, now let's take a look at the slides. Now inside we get the slides here. It's like a little bit of literature. Now this is just a pair of slides, so there isn't really much for me to review here. So I'll just start with the material itself and then the design. This shoe from top to bottom is made of a injected EVA foam. Even though it looks like there's almost a seam here that separates the traction from the upper, it's actually the same soft foam material. They really remind me of the Adidas Comfort Slides as far as like softness goes. The foam is something that your feet will definitely sink into. So in that respect, they are very comfortable. However, when it comes to sizing, from the bottom, it looks like this has a very wide forefoot, but this band actually makes this area where your foot is in very narrow. I also feel like these run a little bit short, because wearing this size 8, you'll see on the on-feet portion of the video, my heel is almost falling off the edge here. Now design-wise, I think they really hit this one out the park. Compared to other slides that Adidas sells, and even Nike sells, I don't think there's anything that remotely looks anything like this here. The look is definitely unique, and I would expect nothing less from Adidas and more from the Yeezy line. Together, the contrast of this smooth, minimalist upper goes really well with this jagged, sharp, almost trail-inspired look of the traction. And of course, the color also adds to that minimalist vibe. I'd really like to see these in an all-black version, but knowing Yeezy, we're more likely to see more taupe, pastel, and earthy tones. Overall, with the Yeezy Slide, you're getting a really sleek, unique pair of slides just in time for spring and summer. If you struck out this time around, try to be patient. Keep a lookout for a restock, because I have a feeling and see no reason why Adidas wouldn't restock these or release them in more colorways in the coming months. That's all I have to say about these. Now let's take a look on feet. And that brings us to the end of this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sneaker related content, and I'll catch you on the next video.